So you can see the next question on your screen. So I've written the question here. Amit, Sumit and Vineet are partner sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2, right? We need to remember this. The balance sheet ends at 31st March 2020. The date on which they dissolved the firm was as follows. Fine. Amit's capital, Sumit's capital, Vineet's capital, Amit's current account, Sumit's current account, profit and loss account, trade creditors. These are given the liability side and asset side, bank, debtors, stock, furniture, patent, machinery, building, and Vineet's current account. Okay. Following transactions took place at the time of dissolution. So you know very well that dissolution took place. So as I told you already, 2 entries need to be posted here. Okay. But let me tell you one thing about this question. As the current accounts are mentioned here. Okay. So the partners are maintaining fixed capital method. Okay. So in that case, you are supposed to prepare the current account separately. So there are two methods in that. One method is that make all the adjustment related to profit and etc. in the current account, and then the final balance of the current account should be transferred to partner's capital account. One method. Another method, just directly transfer the balance of current account to the partner's capital account and do all the adjustment there. Okay, so we are going to follow the first approach. Okay, and the question asks all the accounts from us. Prepare realization account, partners current accounts, partners capital accounts, and bank account in the books of the firm. Alright, so let's start with the realization account. The format is already there. Okay, like I told you, that two entries, one for transferring all the assets and another for transferring all the third party liabilities need to be passed here. Okay, so we'll place all the assets as well as liability here. Okay, so the assets will come here to the debit side. Okay, so have a look here, all the assets have been transferred here. Right. Similarly, all the third parties will be transferred in the credit side. See, by trade creditors, because we have only single third party liability here. Okay, no other liability is there. Fine. I just put the tick mark to remind myself that treatment is done. Okay, now let's read the question further, and according to that, we will do the treatment. Realization expenses were to be borne by Amit, for which he is to get a credit of rupees 20,000. Actual expenses paid out of firm's bank account amounted to rupees 24,000. Okay, so very first we'll pass the entry for this credit because he is to run the process of dissolution. So he is to get the amount from the firm side. So what's gonna happen? Account debit to Amit's capital account. Right? How much amount? 20,000. Now, one more entry will be passed. The realization expenses were to be borne by Amit, but were paid by firm because the money has gone from firm's pocket. Okay, so the firm will recover from Amit. Understood? So these entry will be done. One more thing, let me tell you. Here, in place of capital, we will mention current account because we are maintaining fixed capital method. Understood the point? Okay. So this entry will be transferred to Amit's capital account, but this needs to be transferred here. Okay, so let's place this entry, Amit's current account. Okay, in bracket we can mention remuneration. Okay, now let's move further. This treatment is done. Sumit took stock for rupees 1,10,000 and Vineet took over building for rupees 8 lakh. Okay, no problem. So Sumit took stock. So Sumit's capital account will be mentioned here. So Sumit's current account will be mentioned here. Okay, and what we'll write down here? What he took at how much? 1,10,000. Fine. Similarly, we'll do the same entry for Vineet. Vineet's current account. What he took? He took building at rupees 8 lakh. Fine. This is also done. Now, other assets realized, debtors 96,000, furniture 34,000, machinery 1,60,000. Okay, no problem. The entry will be passed here by bank account. Debtors realized 96,000, furniture 34,000, and machinery 1,60,000. Any other asset has been realized? No. Now let me tell you one more thing. See, how many assets were transferred? Total 6. Okay, and how many were realized? 3 here and 2 here. Okay, one asset was not realized, which is patent. So we won't pass any entry for its realization. Why? Because it hasn't been realized. Understood the point? Okay, that was the rule. For third party liability, we'll have to pass the entry even in the case the question is silent about the treatment. Then at book value, we'll make the payment. But for the asset, if the question is silent, we'll not pass any entry for the realizing. Understood the point? Okay, that is why we won't do any treatment for the patent. Okay, let's make the total of this 2,90,000. Right? Okay, now let's move further. Trade creditors were settled in full by paying them 1,30,000. Okay, to bank account. Trade creditors 1,30,000. Alright, now let's check if any other entry is left here related to realization. I do not find any entry here related to realization. Okay, now we'll make the total of this and then we'll calculate whether we got profit or loss on realization. Understood the point? So the total of this side is 13,40,000 and this side total is 13,30,000, and after deducting we get 10,000 as profit. Okay, and this profit will be distributed among the partners in profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. So 5,000, 3,000, 2,000 will be transferred to their current accounts, not capital account. Alright, all the adjustments will be done in current accounts, and after that final balance will be transferred to capital account. Understood the point? Okay, so now we need to prepare the partners current account, and thereafter we will prepare the partners capital account. Remember about this entry. Okay, in Amit's current account we need to pass on entry in the debit side to bank account 24,000. Okay, so this is the format of partners current accounts. Let's do the treatment here. Very first we'll place the balances. Amit's current account 60,000 by balance BD. Sumit's current account 40,000 and Vinit's balance is there in debit side 20,000 to balance BD. Okay. After that we will distribute this profit because all the adjustment need to be done here only. This is the credit balance of the profit, means accumulated profit will be distributed among the partners in profit sharing ratio 50,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Alright, this is also done. Now let's see in asset side, do we have any loss? No. No other adjustment is there. Okay, so one entry, remember I told you to pass by the name of bank account related to expenses only for Amit, 24,000. Okay, this one. Now, any other entry we are left with? Yes, one entry for Amit because the first entry we did realization account debit to Amit's current account. Okay, so by realization, that is related to his remuneration. Fine, it was 20,000. Okay, now Sumit took stock. Fine, so it will be mentioned here to realization. In bracket we can mention stock. How much amount he took the stock for? 1,10,000. Okay, and we need to building. Similarly to realization building, it was taken over by Vinit at 8 lakh rupees. Fine. Now other assets were realized. No other treatment is there. Now one entry needs to be passed related to the profit on realization. So by realization 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000. Now no other entry is left. We can make the total, and this total means the balance of current account will be transferred to partners capital accounts. Okay, so let's make the total. So friends, very first we made the total of this side. So we see that in Vinit's case debit side total is more, that comes 8,20,000, and after deducting 22,000 we got 7,98,000. Similarly, in case of Sumit, we find that debit side total is more, that is 1,10,000. Okay, and after that we deducted that 40,000 plus 30,000 and 3,000. Okay, 73,000, and then we got 37,000. Okay, and but in case of Amit, credit side total is more, that is 1,35,000, and we deducted this 24,000, we got 1,11,000. Okay, so this was transferred to Amit's capital account. You can have a look. Okay, so this entry will come in this side by Amit's current account, right? 1,11,000. Similarly, to Sumit's and Vineet's capital account. So these entry will be transferred here to Sumit's and Vineet's current accounts. Okay, the balance is 37,000 and 7,98,000. I left this space empty because very first we need to put the opening balance of the capital as balance B in 3 of the cases. 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh. Understood the point? All the adjustment have been made. These are the opening balances, and thereafter current balances have been transferred. Now we'll make the total of this. Fine. As per that, we'll decide whether the partners will be paid money from the side of firm or they need to bring money from their personal property. So let's make the total and then we'll understand it. So here we go. In case of Amit, the total is 5,11,000 and it has been mentioned here. In case of Sumit, the total of credit side is more, that is 3 lakh, we mentioned here, and after deducting 37,000 we got 2,63,000. But in case of Vineet, total of debit side is more, 7,98,000, we wrote it here, and after deducting 3 lakh we got 4,98,000. Means Vineet is supposed to bring 4,98,000 from his personal property. Okay, means fine, this amount is to be brought by Vineet because his liability is moving more than the capital he invested. Okay, but these people are going to get the payment from the firm side. Fine, Amit will get 5,11,000 and Sumit will get 2,63,000. Alright. Now, after all this, we need to prepare the bank account. Okay, so this is the format of bank account. Let's put the entry here. Very first, we'll place the balance BD from balance sheet. That is 1,40,000. Alright, so we got money after realizing the assets. So it will be mentioned here to realization account. In bracket, we may mention assets realized. Fine. And the payment of liability will come here. Means liabilities paid. Okay. So if we see the liability that trade creditors were paid at 1,30,000, and if we see the assets, then the assets were realized at 2,90,000. Alright. Okay. Apart from that, you know very well that in this case, fine, we did the entry Amit's capital account debit to bank account. Fine. Okay, so Amit's capital account debit expenses 24,000. Okay. Now, what else? Yes, the entry of final payment. By Amit's capital account, final payment. By Sumit's capital account, final payment. But Vineet will pay. The firm will receive money from Vineet's side. Then to Vineet's capital, cash brought in. Now let's put the value. He brought 4,98,000. Okay, and he was paid 5,11,000, and Sumit 2,63,000. All right. Now let's make the total of this. If two of the sides match with each other, it means we are correct. So friends, let's have a look. The both side total is 9,28,000. That matches. Alright, it means we are correct. Fine. So this is how we can directly prepare realization account, partners capital account, current accounts if needed, and bank account. Okay. So this was all about today's session, but the numerical problems have not ended here. Very soon I'm going to meet you with the another video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.